Hi, I'm Megha Asher. I'm the co-founder of Juicy Chemistry. Today we are India's only brand. We really wanted to set this apart from the market and prove to the consumers. Hi, I'm Megha Asher. I'm the co-founder of Juicy Chemistry, a certified organic skincare brand. We are based out of Coimbatore. We started Juicy Chemistry in 2014 from our 10 by 10 kitchen with merely 5,000 rupees in our pocket. We're looking for natural alternatives for my acne-prone skin. I was suffering from PCOD and literally nothing was working. Constant visits to the dermat were getting a little difficult. So while looking out for natural products, we came across products that were actually filled with a lot of ingredients that were not really natural. And when we started doing our research is when we saw the clear gap in the market, and we started the search to create absolutely raw, organic, potent products for all skin types. Shockingly, when we started, the first year went just creating the products. We never started as a brand. And once we got everything in order, we set up our website. Within another year, we saw brands popping up. In some cases the formulations were eerily similar because we listed all the ingredients from day one. We always informed the consumers what they were buying. That was one of the first policies we adopted at Juicy Chemistry. And competition, it never really affected us. It bothered us when we saw that people were forgetting the thin line between inspiration and imitation. But once we saw what was going on is when we decided to isolate ourselves in the market by going for certifications, by ensuring our products, when we use the word organic, they're actually organic. That made a big difference. Today we are India's only brand where the complete range of products are certified organic, head to toe solutions for the entire family. We've got almost 100 products in our line. Everything follows the same ethos. It's not that one product is 100% natural and the other one has other ingredients. It's all the products are made with the same philosophy of using no preservatives, no additives, no synthetics, no nature derived ingredients. Whatever we use is straight from the soil packaged into our bottle. It's minimally processed ingredients that are physically agro ingredients that are minimally processed. So that became the core value of Juicy Chemistry. And 7 years now, and it's been a fabulous journey. The competition only makes us do better. So this is a question we get a lot, right? It's a very quirky name. It's not a name that typically you'd find for products that are made out of plant botanicals. It was one day in our kitchen where we were trying to make a soap batch, and we tried multiple times and we were failing at it. We were not really getting the formulation right. And to add to it, Pritesh thought, okay, let's add some fresh orange juice. It's summer and people it's quite hot. People will enjoy a refreshing citrus fruit. And we prepared the juice and we tried to make the soap, and it was a complete goop. It was a big brown mess. And I just walked into the kitchen while he was doing it and I said, what is this? It looks hideous. I just said, look at the chemistry, how things work. You would think that, your soap is going to look beautiful like those lovely orange soaps you see in the market, with that really beautiful sunshine orange kind of a color. And ours is like a brown mess. Who's going to buy this? And Pritesh just said, the juices didn't react well with the way we were doing it. It was too citric. And he just put together the name, it just at that moment he just said Juicy Chemistry. Look at the Juicy Chemistry. And the name kind of just stuck because you know, you use chemistry to describe love, you'd use chemistry to describe a lot of other things. It's not necessarily in terms of just chemicals. So we immediately coined it. We spoke to friends and family, and everybody said this is a fantastic name, it's a very unique name. So the name kind of stuck then. That's the story. So, you know, here the core value is into understanding the product. You know, when you call it a rose water, is it just rose essence mixed in water, or is it a pure steam distilled hydrosol? Another factor involved is the variant of the rose, whether it's an Indian rose, it's a damask rose, which grade of rose are you using in your product, and lastly, are you looking at the product just as a simple refresher, or are you looking for the product to do a lot more? In our case, we take the effort to go all the way to Bulgaria to source rose water because the soil conditions there are the best. The roses are hand-picked at dawn and, you know, immediately sent for steam distillation. Another factor to remind here is that, you know, the whole steam distillation process involves extraction of rose oil, which is an extremely expensive oil. So how many times are the rose petals distilled to completely extract out all the oil? Ours is distilled just once. So that makes the rose water really pure. It still would have droplets of rose essential oil in it. It would have a lot of benefits. And, you know, we really wanted to set this apart from the market and prove to the consumers that we don't sell just a mist. We did a clinical study, and the rose water actually came back with results showing improvement in skin tone, improvement in the skin radiance and hydration value. So a simple rose water can do so many things. You don't necessarily need to use a product with additives and fillers in it if you know the end result you're looking from a product. So that's why the price variation there. It's not about being organic or inorganic. It's about what the end goal is and how pure that particular product is. We get asked a lot that why can't you get roses from India? But the challenge here is we don't get certifications. Most of the suppliers do not offer certifications with their rose water. I do not know if it's 100% organic damask rose petals, right? So for us at Juicy Chemistry, it's been about understanding the ingredient, making the ingredient the core, the hero of the product, because we don't depend on any additives or any synthetics or any derivatives in the whole process. So that's why it's comparatively more expensive than what you would pick up ordinarily in the market. And what you see at that lower price range, in most often cases, it's not even 100% rose water. It's got a lot of other ingredients.